You searched how to buy shares of Baby Bunting Group Ltd. Baby Bunting is an Australian baby products retailer listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker BBN.ASX. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BBN.ASX to find the listing. Then select the Baby Bunting Group Ltd result that matches the ticker. On the stock page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm it's the correct asset. Verify the listing title shows Baby Bunting Group Ltd and the BBN.ASX ticker. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to commit, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.